Hackers aren't just coding in dark basements anymore. They're using artificial intelligence, and it's working faster than most people realize. This isn't a sci-fi movie. AI is being trained to mimic human behavior, guess passwords, and even write phishing emails that look like they're from your bank. But here's the good news. You're not powerless. Just a few smart habits can protect you. Stop oversharing on social media, use a password manager, and never click links that create urgency or fear. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how these AI scams work and what steps you can take today to stay safe. Here's what most people don't know. Some AI systems can scrape your social media, learn your tone, your writing style, and then impersonate you. It doesn't take weeks, it takes hours. That's the twist that makes old-school security tips useless now. Let's break this down. First, phishing. Traditional phishing used to look sloppy. Bad grammar, weird links, foreign language patterns. Now, AI tools like ChatGPT or WormGPT can craft emails that look 100% real. They're clean, personal, and urgent. If it sounds like your boss or your bank, you're more likely to click. Then there's voice cloning. All it takes is a 10-second clip of your voice from a TikTok, a podcast, or a Zoom call, and AI can mimic it. Now imagine getting a call from your daughter asking for money. It sounds like her. It's not her. The worst part? Most people still think two-factor authentication will save them, but AI can automate attacks that wait for you to enter your code, intercept it in real time, and get through anyway. Now, how do you protect yourself? First, stop oversharing. That casual Facebook post with your dog's name and your birthday? That's gold for AI-powered brute force tools. Second, use a password manager. No, not your Notes app or that spreadsheet. A real manager that creates random, strong, unguessable passwords for every site. Third, watch the patterns. If a message feels urgent, emotional, or just slightly off, pause. AI doesn't yet fully understand emotional nuance. That's your edge. And finally, stay curious. The more you understand how these systems work, the harder you become to fool. It's not about being paranoid. It's about being aware. Technology is evolving, and so are the threats. But awareness is still the best defense. It's not about avoiding tech. It's about learning to move smarter than the algorithms. If this opened your eyes a little, tell me in the comments. What's one change you'll make after watching this? I read everyone.